laboratory services business is a genuine global business. We're currently on all 6 continents in the world. We've got around about 300 sites across those continents, but we'll always be a Brisbane-based Australian-listed entity, we hope.
I think by far the most substantial success story is the acquisition of ALS and its emergence as a global company. Being in 53 countries is just amazing.
On a global basis, we're the largest provider of environmental analytical chemistry services in the world. I think the Scottish tradition runs pretty deep in the organisation. We're fairly tight with our money, so yeah. We're very thoughtful about what we do spend our money on. I think that's, people will say that's our Scottish heritage, and again, we're very happy with that.
I think certainly ethics, a very substantial part of our heritage, but I think also a will to win. I noticed the odd occasion when we weren't beating last year's profits or whatever, the mood in the boardroom changed very substantially, and everyone felt it. You know, we always had to win.
I guess in the early days I wanted to keep control of what was going on in Queensland and keep the southerners out, and then we went through a period where we believed we were as good as any other Australian, and today we certainly believe we're as good as anybody else in the world, and there's no geography that we shouldn't go into. So we've currently got a little project on where we're getting 11,000 Swiss watches made by the company, and every employee in the world will get one of those watches, and we hope that they wear it with pride.
I'm very worried about what those watches cost.
Just over $500,000.
Thank you. So,